My name is Nidhiya. I like to show you my favorite dish,
which is snake gourd with tur dal. I know it's a weird combination. Do you know what a snake gourd is? Here, let me show you. This is snake gourd. I don't know why this is named like that, but it is. Maybe it's because of the shape. But where does the gourd come from? I have no idea. I'll show you how to clean this and cut it into this size. We're going to trim both the ends. To make it easier to cut. We're going to peel. You want to peel? Okay. Good job. We cleaned all 3 pieces. Now what we're going to do is cut this in half. And there's the seeds in there. Okay, this is about 2 cups of tur dal, which I had soaked for 2 hours in warm water, and then I just cooked it without the help of pressure cooker. So you can also do that. And this is the snake gourd that we just cut up. This is 1.5, one big one and a small one. So that, and this is curry leaves, grated coconut, garlic and onion, crushed garlic and onion, salt to taste, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mustard, green chili, and coconut oil. Just turn on the heat. So we're just putting in coconut oil, about 5 spoonsful. Oil is heating up, see? It's moving. Now we're going to put in our mustard. You need your shield. Okay, there's water in there, so be very careful, okay? About 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. It's fluttering. Okay, ready? This is crushed 3 garlic and 1/2 of an onion. If you don't like the flavor of garlic, you can opt out of that. We're going to lower the flame to medium. Green chili, Thai green chili. This is spicy, but for the quantity, we need that much. Can you tear this in?
all of it.
Yes. Please. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're going to help the onions get translucent with the help of salt. Let's give it a mix. Ooh, it's browning up. Salt has magic. Magic powers, look at that. You ready for the hero to go in?
Yeah.
Who's the hero? No, snake gourd. Okay? You want to mix? Very good. This for 5 minutes. The tur dal is already cooked, so we're going to cover this and wait 5 minutes. Let's check on our snake guard. Let's add in our tur dal. This is 2 cups. This is freshly grated coconut. We're just going to cover this and cook for last 1 or 2 minutes. 1 minute or 2 minutes?
2.
2 minutes. Let's check. Check on salt at this stage. If you need more, add more right now. And just check. Just adding a pinch of salt. The water is all gone and soft and flaky. We're done. There you have it, our snake guard tur dal combination with freshly grated coconut. This is Nidhiya's special. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.